How to log into Cast app with Cast Tag. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into Cast app with Cast Tag. So today we'll be learning about if it's possible or not to log in through your Cast Tag. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch Cast Tag application from your device. So as of today, you cannot get logged into your Cast app with your Cast tag. So here's what you can do in other way is simply once you launch your Cast app, you will see the login page where you have to enter your phone number or you can also use your email. So once you have entered your credentials, you need to make sure that you verify by entering the confirmation code. And after that, you will log into your Cast account. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.